let's get to it. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh. Goodness. There we go. Right, let's get you in here. Oh, goodness. Oh, oh, that's a shame. That was quite catchy, actually. Oh, I think I'll leave this till tomorrow.
Excuse me, madam. Thinking of selling your house?
No.
Just a moment. Are you sure?
That much?
Absolutely.
You're on.
What the...
Just sign the agreement here. See you tomorrow. There.
Oh, no. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay.
Oh, hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to book an appointment, please. 12 Arbor Road.
Shall we say tomorrow at 11?
Okay. Thank you. Right, we haven't got long. Off we go. Now, just I'll do that. There we go.
One last outing?
Oh, go on then.
I'll see you later, ladies.
Morning.
Bye.
Morning.
Oh, I can't.
Yes? Oh, the biggest one you've got, please. Well, as soon as you can. Ah, thank you. Bye. Ted! There we go. Whee! Splish.
Oh, I'll come back later.
Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! Wait! Oh, wait! 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 No! No! Oh, wait! 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 Stop! No! 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 Oh no. Help, Mrs. Wicked! Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Oh. Oh. Aha. Oh. The other side will be closer. Losing it. Let's give this a go. Teddy, you come here, you'll get a better view. Right.
3, 2, 1. Oh, no.
Oh, I've got an idea. Okay. There we are. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Pretty good. All right, time to go to the park, Teddy. Good, that away.
Oh, yay! Woo!
Excuse me.
No.
Thank you. Whee! Here we are. Hello, everybody. Sorry I'm late.
Ah, nice wheels.
Right.
Keep up, Grandad.
After you.
Whee!
Okay, Teddy, hang on tight. This is going to be quite a ride.
Hey?
Oh, my goodness.
Right.
No problem.
Easy. Let's see you do the jump of doom.
Dangerous.
Bring it on. Right. No problem. Oh, just got to get in the zone. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Huh? Okay, Teddy. Here we go again. Hey?
Not long now, Teddy. Oh, this chair. Honestly. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no.
Aye? Bean!
Oh, hello. Disaster. Gonna have to start again.
Well, seeing as you're not going anywhere, you can stay in for this delivery.
What?
I'm off out.
All right. Ow.
Chair for Mrs. Wicket.
Yes, yes, hello.
Here. You're not Mrs. Wicket.
No. But... I'll just go and get her. Quick, 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 quick. Perfect. Oh, hello.
Huh?
Can I help you?
You're lovely. Where do you want your chair?
In the lounge.
What?
In the lounge, please. Oh, actually, put it upstairs in the upstairs lounge. This way. In here. Oh, no.
There you go.
Oh,
Do you want me to take that out for you?
oh, yes, if you wouldn't mind. Oh, no, leave it there. Thank you. Bye.
Cheerio, then.
Cheerio. Oh, excellent. Oh. Yeah. And there. Ow. No. No.
No chance.
Oh no! The boxes have gone! Huh? Morning.
Oh.
Oh! 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 Ah! Huh? There's an idea. Here we are.
What? Oh, you!
Oh, that really hurt. Interesting. Let me think. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep. Yes!
Huh? Right, time to let them in. One at a time, please.
One of those, please. No, that one.
She's stealing them. Right. Rah, rah, rah. Rah, rah. Oh, she's getting away. Ha ha. Game over. Oh, I've got my money.
Oh, no charge.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Very, very nice of you, thank you.
See you next time.
No chance.
Too noisy!
Quick game?
If you can't beat them, join them.
Oh, no, not again. Oh, look at that. Oh, now what?
Hello, this is for you.
Oh, hello. Very lovely, thank you. Bye. Oh, no. Hello.
Shall we go out? Cinema? Ice skating? Lunch?
Oh, you're on.
I used to deliver here. You'll like this place.
Oh, is this it?
Yeah.
Very good. Oh, that's nice. Oh, lovely.
This way. Table for two.
Excellent.
Allow me.
Oh, thank you. Oh, no, I'll keep that. Thank you. It's a little chilly. Okay. So,
Your order, please.
Salad, please.
Oh, very good.
ooh, I think I'll have one of everything. No, wait. Two of everything. Thank you.
Two of everything,
So,
madame. Bread?
oh, I love bread. Get that. Get off.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh.
Lovely.
Soup of the day.
Thank you. What's... Just takes forever. Oh.
Garlic bread.
Oh, I do beg your pardon.
Back in a minute.
Look at this. Ooh. Oh. Oh, thank you. I don't think it's for me. Oh, look at this. Hello.
Oh. Aha!
Oh, one of these. Oh! I don't think so. Oh. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Oh. 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 Oh, hello.
Do you like it?
Yes! I'll take it. What? How much? You must be joking.
Ah, right.
What? Wait, get off! Get off! But I can find my own way out, thank you. Madam, I wouldn't. Look.
Oh!
But there's one that could be perfect for you, madam. Follow me. There you go.
Oh, yes, super.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
This is the one for me.
Oh, thank you.
Can I show you something else, madam?
Oh, ow.
Have a go yourself. Oh, look at this. Oh, would Sir like to try this? Okay. Right. Well, I should be getting home.
Just a moment.
What do you want? Where are you taking me? No, but I can't afford it.
Today's very special offer.
In that case, I'll take it. Oh, thank you. Ha ha! Hang on tight, Teddy. Night, night, Teddy.